What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Jepoy here, and of course for today, as you can see, meron tayong match up between the two best burgers here in the Philippines. Para sa akin, ito yung tingin kong pinakalaging binibili ng mga tao, okay? Angel's Minute Burger, okay? Ay lang naman yung dalawang budget burger na masarap eh. So, bumili ako ng dalawang klase between the two stores, okay? Bumili ako ng parehas nilang common burger, yung natural nilang burger, buy one take one hamburger na Minute Burger. Okay, this plate is for Minute Burger and this plate is for Angel's Burger. Okay, dalawang hamburger ng Minute Burger at dalawang hamburger ng Angel's Burger. Okay, buy one take one parehas. And yung isang klase na binili ko is yung best seller nila. Okay, so sa Minute Burger is the bacon and cheese burger. Look at this, guys. Buy one take one din siya, okay? At dito naman sa Angels, actually guys, ang best seller nila I think is yung Hungarian sausage or Hungarian hotdog. Ewan. Kaso ubos na, so syempre may alternative. Ito ang counterpart ng Minute Burger na bacon, cheese, and egg burger. Pero wala siyang patty, okay? Bacon and cheese lang. Bacon and cheese and egg burger. Okay, so paano magkakaalaman kung sinong panalo, ha? Siyempre, meron tayong tatlong category. First is the price, okay? Second is the appearance. And third is the taste, okay? So, let's start with the price first, okay? So, sa Minute Burger, this is 30 pesos. 30 pesos, okay? Buy one, take one. And this cheeseburger, bacon and cheeseburger is 63 pesos, okay? Buy one, take one din, 63. Ang Angel's Burger, buy one, take one hamburger, 26 pesos, okay? And this bacon, cheese, and egg burger, 37 pesos. So, sa mga price nila, both price are affordable. Okay, so let's go for the second category, which is the appearance. Okay, appearance based on its looks. O, tingnan muna natin sa Minute Burger. Okay, ang appearance ng kanilang hamburger. Okay, so this is their hamburger. Okay, their ordinary hamburger. Tingnan natin yung loob. Okay, so and the sauce. Okay, ketchup and mayonnaise. And sa Angel's Burger, okay, let's see. Same, okay? And is their inside only ketchup and yeah, the patty. At least, di ba, hindi totoo yung sinasabi nilang sa unang kagat, puro tinapay. Okay? Time for comparison. Comparison between the two hamburger. Look at this. This is the difference between 26 pesos and 30 pesos. Okay? So, 4 pesos lang yung pagitan nila. And this is their comparison. Okay? Mas malaki yung patty actually ng Minute Burger. And yeah, mayonnaise and ketchup. But this is only a ketchup. So, alam niyo na. Next is their bacon and cheeseburger. 63 pesos, buy one, take one. And tingnan natin. Ano to? Of course, bacon, may patty, and cheese, tsaka, ano ba to? Konting coleslaw, and that's it. And medyo, ang tawag nila dito, brioche bun. Brioche bun. Kita naman, okay? 63 pesos, buy one, take one. And good packaging. Good packaging, guys. Look at this one. Oh, the Angel's Burger. We have here 37 pesos. Paper, ano ba to? Paper, basta lagayan. And this is the inside of this 37 pesos burger. Ito yung bacon, cheese, and egg burger, okay? So, ayun yung cheese. And yung egg, which is and the bacon, okay? Bacon and of course, ketchup lang ulit ang sauce. Okay, comparison. Guys, So, sobrang layo, guys. Sobrang layo pag pinag-compare mo ang 63 pesos, which is the buy one take one, and the 37 pesos na hindi buy one take one. Pero, isipin mo, dalawang order ng bibili mo nito, 74 pesos. Ito, 63, guys. Mas malaki, hindi ko pa masasabing mas masarap, okay? Kasi nandito pa lang tayo sa based on looks and appearance, okay? Next round is the taste, okay? Ito ang pinakahihintay ko ngayon, okay? So, let's start off with the Angel's Burger, okay? The 26 pesos and the only ketchup and not so big patty. And, yeah, let's go! Ha? Hindi naman siya puro tinapay sa unang kagat. Meron na agad patty. Natural yung tinapay, medyo toasted, okay, which is good. Ketchup nila, hindi ko alam kung ano to, kung Papa Ketchup or UFC, ewan ko. Yung patty, masarap, okay? Masarap siya, okay? Sakto lang yung alat niya. Pwede. Ngayon naman yung meat burger. Okay. Same. Medyo toasted yung buns. Okay. Pareho sila. Pwede. Masarap. Mas gusto ko to kasi may mayonnaise sa ketchup. So hindi kalugi, di ba? Kaya nga bumili na rin ng budget burger which is for nagtitipid. Titipirin ka pa ba naman sa sauce? Patty. Natin. Medyo peppery. That is the term, peppery. Okay? Dito naman, walang halong egg sauce, guys. Mahilig ka sa sauce, meat burger ka. Pero kung patty naman ang gusto mo, okay, Angel's Burger ka. Ang lamang lang ng meat burger is, syempre, mas malaki, mas nakakabusog. Ayun. Next stop, dito na tayo sa bestseller nila. Okay? Papakita ko rin sa inyo, baka nakakalimutan yun eh. Yeah! Let's go for the first bite. Okay. I like the buns, okay? Can I consider this as healthy meat burger? This is oatmeal, right? Or whole grain? Ewan ko. Of course, yung bacon, same yung lasa ng bacon, syempre. Ang gusto ko dito is, kahit kumigat mo, alam yung lasa ng cheese, okay? Medyo creamy siya. At the same time, pumapalag yung saltiness and peppery flavor nung patty nila, okay? Harap! Masarap! Okay? So, palagang pa ba natin ang Angel's Burger? O sige, baka sabihin nyo naman eh. Next up, Angel's Burger. Teka, napag-compare ko na ba yung kung gaano kalaki? Kung gaano katangkad? Kung gaano... Okay, let's go. Ito, siyempre, parang pag-usapan pa. Ito. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please do is mash that thumbs up button, and of course, subscribe on my channel, okay? So ayun, so alam niyo na ba kung anong bibili nyo? Meat burger or Angel's Burger? Okay? So, yeah, let's go!